Hello friend, welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel, and this video will be again about fixing sagging headliner. The last time I did deal with this situation on this wonderful GMC Yukon, and when I started using 3M headliner product, it didn't go really well because I put too much of it and it resulted in these stains. And you can see it in different video on this Auto Resource YouTube channel. I learned from that really quickly and I needed to do it on both sides, and as you can see, this ended up way better. So that was fantastic. Now, year later, this headliner started peeling off at both driver's and passenger front sides right next to the windshield. So let's go and deal with it today. Now, what we know from different video, that before applying that new glue, right, you have to remove the old. So if you look here and in the liner itself, there is remainings of that old glue, so I will start gently taking it off from this area which I want to glue back. And that's why I have this cover here, right? It all keeps falling on top of it and I will not make any mess. Here again you can see that remainings of the glue falling down, right? This is not my garage, I'm visiting here, so I don't have any tools. Ideally, I will use some kind of brush, right? Maybe old toothbrush or something like that, which will gently get that old glue off. Because I don't have it, I'm using this towel, and here you can see how it's coming down. And I discovered in the past that spraying this directly on headliner was a mistake and it was too much. So I will try here how thick it sprays, right? I will do the testing here. And you see, this is exactly what happened in the past. These sprays are applying way too much of the glue in that short burst. I need this control. I don't want to be that headliner cloth soaked up with this, so I will choose some kind of applicator which I will apply it on that headliner itself, not on the cloth. I will put it on the headliner. Since I don't have any tools here, it's not my place as I mentioned, I use the same napkin here, right, that piece of paper. I sprayed a bunch of that spray in this box and I carefully, in the thin layer, put it on this headliner. I couldn't hold that camera, so with my two fingers, right, both hands, I put this part already on that headliner, and so far it's working really nice. Carefully stretching that headliner cloth, right? I did it in the middle and I'm carefully with the finger putting it on that headliner itself, right? Which contains right now that fresh glue. It's a very thin layer. I don't want to see those stains, the mistake I did in past, right? It was too thick and it created those yellow spots which nobody wants to be looking at, right? I can use this and nicely massage that cloth carefully, slowly, in that new layer of the glue which is already on the headliner. And here is the view from the driver, right? This is that hanging, sagging headliner in passenger side in front of the windshield. And look at this. There are no stains whatsoever, and it's perfectly holding there. I really think this is a huge improvement in this moment. So I will continue with the other side and I will show you how it ended up. So let's start checking the results on the passenger side, right? I finished this approximately 15 minutes ago, so I believe if there will be any spills or imperfections, it will show already. I meanwhile did clean the vehicle, right, vacuum and so on. This is the driver's side, and you remember of course how it looked. This time I learned from the past and I avoided this horrible situation which happened because I was following instructions and I used way too much of that glue. So here you can basically see what with purchasing the spray, not having even any special other tools, you can achieve, I will say, in easily hour of the work. By no means I consider myself expert on repair of sagging headliners. I just wanted to show with you what I did for these people, right? How relatively easy it is if you have just a small areas to repair, and how inexpensive it is also. It's just the price of the spray. I believe it's like 12 bucks, something like that. So my friend, I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, give it a thumb up and make sure you are subscribed. I will always have way more videos on this auto resource channel coming your way soon. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.